What's up everyone, it's Jambor's new video, and in this one I will be briefly introducing what I will show you, because you might be curious how I'm doing it, that in 5 minutes I will do photos like this, or that. Yes, all in 5 minutes, but not 5 minutes making them. 5 minutes from asking a person to do it with me until saying goodbye. Hi, I'm sorry. Do you speak English?
Who's there?
Do you speak English? Hi.
Oh yeah, hi.
Hi. I'm a photographer, and I was looking at you because first of all, you have amazing makeup.
Thank you.
Also have the spark in the eye also, and I like the hair also, how you have the sparkling things. And I'm sometimes doing this also for TikTok. Maybe you saw it on Instagram or TikTok or somewhere, that I'm asking random people on the streets for a quick photo shooting.
Okay.
Would you be open to this?
Yeah, I would love to. Of
Yes.
course.
I mean,
I'm Karina.
nice to meet you. Where are you going?
I'm going to university. Like I'm in a bit of a hurry now.
Oh, so
give me your Instagram or something. We can like.
Or we can do it now, just on the way to the university.
Okay. Okay. Of course.
Yes.
Of course. Yeah.
So you're going here on Victoria up?
No, I'm going there. I'm changing the subway.
Where do you go?
I go to.
So let's do it here.
Here. You
Yes.
Here.
Yes. Why not? So sorry, I misheard the name again.
I'm Karina.
Karina. Ah, okay.
K-R-I-N-A.
Yes, I know how it's written. Like, vorbesc română un pic.
Okay. So what are you doing in Romania?
I'm a photographer. I'm living in here. I have a girlfriend in here.
Okay.
And
that's so nice.
I moved in here from Prague, and I love it in here, you know.
Yeah, that's so nice.
So,
Okay.
Karina,
Okay.
I will ask you to sit on this middle one.
Okay.
If no one watches, put both of the feet up,
Like-
kind of like, and hold them.
Like this.
Yes, exactly. And hold them together, yes?
Okay.
Give me a second, I will just set it up. It won't work without this, right? Oh my god, it already looks amazing. You're brilliant. I love it. And put a little bit chin up like this way. Yeah, exactly. Brilliant. I will go closer to you, and I just want you to look into the camera, yes? Amazing. Now look over there. Now put one of the legs down.
Okay.
And stretch it.
Like this?
Exactly. And put yourself like in the middle, not to holding this, but put your hands and everything like more like in the middle, like change it basically, change the position a little bit, yes? Exactly. Look at me. Now try, if you can do it, try like to kick the camera, like put the, I will help you. Yeah. And look over there. A little bit into the light, which is above. And now on me. At me, yeah. This is brilliant, perfect. Now sit on the edge of the chair. And exactly, and be like, exactly. I love it. I will go closer to you, and I will above, and I want you to look directly into the camera. Now lay down as much as you can.
Okay.
Yeah. And just make your hands like that. Yeah. I love it. I will shoot you from this angle. And now look at me just with the head. A little bit head like that. A little bit chin up. Give me a second. I will adjust one thing in here. Yeah. And now from above. And I want you to put also the hands above. Yeah. This is brilliant.
Oh my god. Whoa. That's so nice.
And I will do one more. When you're having the legs above, like how we started.
Okay.
Put them a little bit like spread, and put one of the hands in the middle.
Like this.
Exactly. If you can, I will go from a little bit further, yes?
Where do I look?
Just into the camera. Yes. This is very cool. I will do some artistic shots, you know? And now lean towards the camera, like you want to kind of go through it.
Okay.
Yeah? I will just go to you and photo shoot. And lean. Exactly. Exactly. You're fantastic, Rina. Love it.
Thank you.
Love it. We're done.
Thank you so
It
much.
was easy. Will you give me Instagram, please?
Okay, yeah, of course. Wow.
So what are you studying?
I'm studying communication and emerging media actually.
Nice. I was studying marketing communications.
Whoa.
Yes.
We're in the same field.
Kind of, yes.
so
It's
cool.
just
Where are you
50
from?
Prague. Originally.
Wow. Oh.
Sunt din Praga.
Oh, that's a good accent.
Mulțumesc. So how can I find you?
Okay, so my Instagram is like
Karina.
yeah, dot BN.
BN.
Oh.
BN.
Yeah, it's on Banu. That's
Banu?
like
This is you?
yeah, that's me.
Perfect.
Let me see.
So just follow me back. I will send you the
Okay.
images tonight, tomorrow.
Whenever you
If
have
not,
time.
if not in a week, please just
Yeah.
remind me.
You have a
I'm
lot on
telling
your
this to
mind.
no, I'm letting this to I'm telling this to everybody because it happened to me
So
that
your name is Jan?
Jan, yes.
Okay, so cool. Well, thank you.
It was a big pleasure.
It was
Enjoy.
a pleasure. Thank you.
Have a nice day. Ozzy Buna. Alright, so what you just saw was that I came to the lady, I asked her, I did it a little bit non-standard way that I basically came from behind, tap, but otherwise she would probably miss me or I would need to go really long time after it, and I was just determined to do it. So first of all this. Second of all, if this happened, start talking immediately, but be kind, be present, and have empathy on 100% focus. Of course, it can happen that you will miss the name. It's happened to me all the time because I'm focusing on so many things. But the thing is to be safe. You must feel confident, but also not pushy. Because if the person, and that happened to me a million times, say no, I don't want to, blah blah blah, and you feel that it's uncomfortable, let them be. It's not a rocket science, but it's also not. It should be a consent, but not in just in the way of this modern consent way, which is this is how it should be. But it's also about you want other people with you to feel comfortable, good, happy. It's an adventure, and of course, talk to them honestly. This is what I said. I'm doing this, and that. This is what I do. This is how I do it, and they can also check me. So I say the story, and then they can even see it on the social media if they ask on the Instagram. Oh, you're really doing it. You're not scamming us. Important, because it's more important than to do great photos in a very short period of time. It's for the people with you to feel safe, feel good, have an experience. Because that also said that when they will want to have a photo shooting, maybe they will ask you again to do it, or they will recommend you to a friend, or maybe something will happen in a positive manner. If you will not do your job well, you will probably also do them a blockage to the other photographers, which I don't think it's something you want to do. So think about it at the first glance. Second of all, don't take them somewhere crazily else. Try to do things what you can do at the spot you ask them, which in my case was this metro. Immediately here, let's do it. Because when you're starting following and going with them, of course you can have a conversation. It's nice, you will see it in follow-up videos how I did it. But at some point when you're going crossing the line, being with the people who doesn't know you at all for a longer period of time, you can annoy them, or you can feel that there is something happening. It's very hard, this phenomenon, to be described as something. You don't belong to their world and they don't belong to your world for the moment. It can happen eventually. It can happen when they come back to you or over time, but not at this moment when you're jump into their life, being there and then staying there. No. This is weird. Don't put yourself into the weird position. So that's why it really took 5 minutes, the whole of it. You see that many photos, actually very good photos, came out of it. This is okay, it's a skill. No, the thing is that you can also do it. The thing is that when you point out, you're direct, and you see I'm talking a lot during it. Look over there, do this, give me a hand, give me a leg, put it like this. I'm also showing a lot of stuff which you cannot see, and I'm also doing mimics, so they can really tell what I'm trying to tell. The thing is, constantly keep the attention, but constantly direct. You're the director of the situation, and you should follow. Don't expect that even the person who doesn't even know it will be photoshooted know what to do. Don't do that. You need to know what to do. You need to guide them. You need to tell them. Of course, sometimes it can happen that somebody will be kind of more talented or just know better, or it's a model. It happens. Then okay, then you feel it, and they will immediately give you more because they know. But most people doesn't know, and for them it's a new experience. Guide them through it so they can feel safe again with you and have an amazing experience. Well, and at the end, ask for the contact that you will send them the images and then really do it. And then I think you can really do it yourself. The important things why I'm doing it. First of all, it was portfolio, but nowadays it's more about the training for my workshop. And second of all, I still want to be up to date how to behave, what to do differently. I'm testing different lens, I'm testing different positions, I'm testing different angles of shooting. I'm practicing. It's my kind of practice, because then when it comes to the clients, like the real clients who are paying me money, I'm absolutely feeling safe, and they can then feel safe with me. I'm okay, because whatever happens around me, some fuck up, it can happen, anything. You have a solution, because you're not panicking. Because especially in this workshop, which I call FOTOLOVe, I'm teaching, and I'm actually practically showing you now even that in anywhere you can Photoshop, you can always find a way, and it will give you at least a space to figure out what to do next. And this is like with the work with clients. You sometimes have a plan, but some things get broken. Something doesn't work the way you want. Somebody has a real different mood. This will prepare you for all the occasions, and then you will be like, okay, whatever, let's do it this way. Let's do it then this way. Let's do it this way. Let's find the solution. Solution making is the most important part of the process. And when you are set up in your head like this, then everybody feels much safer with you, and after all, give you much more and better work, and your work which you deliver, which is photography, actually looks also better. And I think everybody is a little bit more satisfied, but satisfy me in Buy Me a Coffee. You can support me, basically buy me a coffee, or you can subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, talk in the comments below, and I see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.